Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make great guacamole. First, gather your essential ingredients. You will need 3 to 4 ripe avocados, which are the creamy base of any excellent guacamole. Also, have 1 to 2 limes ready for their fresh juice, which brightens the flavor and helps keep your guacamole green. Don't forget a pinch of salt to enhance all the other wonderful tastes. These core components are crucial for a truly delicious dip. Now, let's get to the preparation. Begin by carefully halving your ripe avocados and removing the large pits. Then, scoop all the creamy green flesh into a medium-sized mixing bowl. Using a fork or a potato masher, gently mash the avocado to your desired consistency. Some prefer it chunky, while others like it perfectly smooth. Next, squeeze in the juice from 1 to 2 limes and sprinkle in about 1/2 teaspoon of salt, mixing well. To elevate your guacamole, consider adding some fresh, vibrant ingredients. Finely dice about 1/4 cup of red onion for a pleasant, sharp bite. Next, chop 2 tablespoons of fresh cilantro to introduce a lovely herbaceous note. For those who enjoy a little warmth, mince 1 small jalapeno, removing the seeds for less heat, and add it in. Gently fold all these wonderful additions into your mashed avocado mixture until everything is evenly distributed and beautifully combined. Finally, let's talk about serving and storage. For the absolute best flavor and vibrant green color, serve your freshly made guacamole immediately with your favorite chips or vegetables. If you have any leftovers, press a piece of plastic wrap directly onto the surface of the guacamole to prevent air from browning it. Then, place it in an airtight container and refrigerate. Enjoy any remaining guacamole within 1 to 2 days for optimal freshness and taste.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.